This is the new G5 command center for the new BC40, BC60 and BC100. Like the previous models, all the water connections can be found at the back of the unit. The new interactive LCD is found on the front of the unit and is used to control the HydroTap and turns it on and off. The filter door houses the internal filter, which needs to be fitted during installation. All chilled water commercial HydroTaps for 40, 60 and 100 people now come standard with the vent tray. This is to make correct installation of the HydroTap easier. Here's what you should receive in your new G5 HydroTap box: a command center, the vent tray, braided hose, IEC power lead, and quick guide instructions, which include a QR link to the installation video you're now watching. You'll also receive the tap or faucet ordered with your HydroTap purchase. The tap or faucet installation videos are separate to the command center videos and can also be viewed on the Zip website. To install your HydroTap correctly, ventilation is critical to its correct operation. 2 cutouts are required in the lip of your cupboard floor. One is for the cold air inlet grill, and the other is for the hot air outlet that the vent tray sits on. To install the vent tray, place the vent tray in the cupboard. Align the vent tray so you have enough room to also fit the inlet grill to the lip of the cupboard. Mark and make the cutouts. Fit and secure the cold air inlet grill to the cupboard. Next, line up the vent tray with the back of your hot air outlet cutout and secure with the screws provided. Fit the outlet duct to the front of the vent tray and secure the duct with the screws provided. The command center will then easily slide onto the vent tray. Fit the outlet duct to the side of the command center. As the duct seal is new, fitting to the unit can be hard, so just use the talcum powder provided to make fitment easier. Gently apply a small amount of the powder around the seal and secure the duct with the screw found on the side of the command center. Next, remove the dust caps from the outlets and remove the cap from the mains in. Mixer in and mixer out are not required, so leave the dust caps on. Next, we need to connect the command center to the mains water supply. Use the supplied braided hose for this connection. Connect the end with the elbow to the mains in on the command center. Your Zip HydroTap also comes with an inline filter. Connect this to your mains water supply. Do these connections up finger tight and then the last quarter to half a turn with a shifting spanner. Next, connect the other end of the braided hose to the inline filter and tighten this the same way. The tap of the HydroTap is electronic and the communication USB cable needs to be connected. Connect the female USB cable from the command center to the male USB cable from the tap. Make sure you orientate them correctly. You should hear a click when the cables have been connected properly. Once they're connected, wind up the cable and secure it at the rear of the cupboard. This is just to keep it out of the way of mechanical or water damage that may occur in the cupboard. Next, the hoses need to be connected to the command center. The red silicone hose is for boiling water out. The clear hose is for the vent, and the blue hose is for the chilled water out. You need to have constant fall from the tap to the command center. Measure and cut the silicone hoses to length and push the silicone hose onto the nib so that at least 15 millimeters of the nib is covered by the hose. Cable ties or clamps are not required as the silicone hose will hold itself to the nib. Next, plug the IEC power cord into the HydroTap. The command center no longer has an on-off switch. Power on-off is now controlled via the LCD. The filter for the HydroTap comes loose in the filter compartment. Open the filter door, remove the plastic wrapping from the filter and fit the filter into the filter head. Locate the filter, push up and turn clockwise. The filter will stop turning when it's in place. An innovation from Zip Water is HydroTap Clean. HydroTap Clean is a naturally produced cleaning product that's gentle on surfaces and pH neutral. HydroTap Clean has been specially designed for HydroTap chilled and sparkling water paths. HydroTap Clean is to be used during the commissioning process of your HydroTap, which is the final step in installation. Almost all the process is automated so that every HydroTap can be commissioned to the same standard. However, we've introduced a few steps, so please watch this video closely to see what's new. The HydroTap has been designed to be used frequently and straight after use. Do not start the commissioning stage if you're not planning on using the HydroTap for a few weeks or months. Wait to commission the HydroTap just before you need to use it. The first screen on the LCD also reminds you of this. From the commissioning screen, press the arrow. On the next screen, the date and time can be adjusted to suit your time zone. Touch the screen on the date or time to change it. The time can also be changed to 24-hour time. The next screen asks you to select the Drain Away option. This simply means if your tap or faucet is installed to dispense into a sink or the specially designed Zip font. If you select Sink Container, the flushing process from the tap will be automatic. If you select Font, you'll need to use the tap or faucet to dispense water during the commissioning process. Next, the internal filter needs to be flushed. Using a bucket, place the filter flush hose in the bucket and open the stopcock. Press the play button and the filter flush process will start. This process is timed to take 2 minutes. If you need to pause the filter flush, press the pause button on the LCD. When you're ready to resume the filter flush, press the play button. Once the filter flush has stopped, turn the stopcock off and give it a shake. Press the arrow button to go to the next screen. Put the flush hose back in the filter compartment and close the filter door. Next, we need to prime the HydroTap system. This means that all the water paths inside the HydroTap will have water pass through them for the first time. Press the play button to start the system priming. Water may dispense from the tap or faucet during this process. Once complete, we need to prepare for the HydroTap Clean process. You'll need a microfiber cloth, HydroTap Clean adapter and a HydroTap Clean can. Both the adapter and HydroTap Clean can are supplied with the HydroTap Command Center. First, fit the cloth underneath the internal filter. This is to catch any water that may spill in the HydroTap when you remove the filter. Next, remove the filter, and once removed, refit the dust cap of the filter to keep the filter protected. The adapter must be fitted to the internal filter head first. This adapter will fit in and turn a quarter turn before it's secured in place. Make sure the filter flush hose is off. Next, remove the green lid from the HydroTap Clean can. The can is designed to screw into the bottom of the adapter. Gently fit the can underneath the adapter and tighten. Press the next arrow, and the next screen wants you to confirm you've fitted the HydroTap Clean can and you're ready to start the commissioning process. Next, the HydroTap will need to calibrate. Press the play symbol to start the process. At the same time the boiling water tank is calibrating, the HydroTap Clean process will also occur. When you press the play symbol, you'll see the boiling tank commissioning screen. At the bottom of the screen, there's an arrow button to take you to the chilled cleaning screen. This will show you a picture of the tank and the solenoids inside the HydroTap. This will open and close during the process. Both the boiling calibration and HydroTap Clean processes are automated and take about 10 minutes to complete. Once the HydroTap Clean process is complete, the chilled and sparkling water tanks will flush out the cleaning solution. Once the flush has been completed, the HydroTap will ask you to remove the HydroTap Clean can and adapter. Remove them both separately, can first, then adapter. Both these can be put into recycling. Next, remove the dust cap from the filter and reinstall the filter to the filter head. Mop up any spilt water with the cloth and remove the cloth. Once the boiling calibration is finished, a tank flush will need to be performed. This will happen automatically unless the boiling water temperature is over 50 degrees Celsius or you selected font at the beginning of the commissioning process. Press the play button to start. Once the boiling water temperature is below 50 degrees Celsius, the tank flush will become automatic. The LCD screen will ask you to confirm if the booster has been installed or not. Press the arrow button to go to the next screen. You can register your HydroTap via a QR code. To do this, press the menu symbol, then register product, and the QR code will appear on the screen. Use your phone or tablet to scan the code and register your product. Please visit zipwater.com for any further help videos or information on your new HydroTap G5.